Hi viewers, welcome to the electrifying world of gardening innovation. In this article, we dive into the realm of electroculture gardening techniques unveiled, where cutting-edge methods meet the green thumbs of the future. Discover the science behind supercharging your plants and unlocking a new level of growth. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or just getting started, the insights here promise to revolutionize the way you cultivate your garden. Let's explore the power of electroculture gardening and witness the magic it brings to your backyard oasis. Section 2. Maximizing plant growth with electroculture techniques. In the quest for a thriving garden, understanding the nuances of electroculture gardening can be a game changer. This section delves into the specific techniques that harness the power of electricity to maximize plant growth. Electrically charged soil. Explore the concept of electrifying the soil to enhance nutrient uptake. Learn how charged particles in the soil can optimize the availability of essential minerals for plant development. Root stimulation through electrical pulses. Uncover the benefits of using controlled electrical pulses to stimulate root growth. Understand how this technique promotes stronger, more resilient root systems, leading to healthier plants. Electromagnetic fields and photosynthesis. Delve into the relationship between electromagnetic fields and the photosynthesis process. Discover how exposing plants to specific electromagnetic frequencies can boost their photosynthetic efficiency, ultimately increasing overall growth. Precision electrical irrigation. Learn about the precise application of electrical currents in irrigation systems. Understand how this method optimizes water absorption, ensuring plants receive the right amount of moisture for optimal development. Electroculture for pest control. Explore innovative ways electroculture can deter pests naturally. Understand how certain electrical frequencies can repel pests, reducing the need for chemical interventions. By implementing these electroculture techniques, you'll not only witness accelerated plant growth, but also contribute to a more sustainable and eco-friendly gardening approach. The marriage of technology and nature in electroculture gardening opens up a new frontier for cultivators seeking greener and more efficient methods. Get ready to elevate your gardening game and witness the remarkable results that electrified cultivation can bring to your backyard oasis. Section 3. Innovative electroculture methods for thriving gardens. In this section, we explore a spectrum of innovative electroculture methods that promise to transform your garden into a flourishing haven. From novel technologies to unconventional approaches, these techniques are designed to take your gardening experience to new heights. Electrified mulching. Delve into the concept of electrified mulching and its impact on soil fertility. Understand how incorporating electrified mulch can enhance nutrient retention and microbial activity in the soil. Electrostatic plant coating. Explore the revolutionary technique of applying electrostatic charges to plant surfaces. Learn how this method can improve nutrient absorption and create a protective barrier against environmental stressors. Electrocrafted fertilizers. Uncover the world of specially formulated electrocrafted fertilizers. Discover how these unique blends of nutrients, charged with electricity, can provide targeted nourishment for different stages of plant growth. Smart electroculture sensors. Embrace the era of smart gardening with the integration of electroculture sensors. Explore how these sensors monitor electrical signals in the soil, helping you fine-tune your gardening practices for optimal results. Electroculture and Controlled Environment Agriculture, CEA. Examine the synergy between electroculture and controlled environment agriculture. Learn how the controlled application of electrical stimuli in CE systems can lead to increased crop yields and resource efficiency. By incorporating these innovative electroculture methods into your gardening repertoire, you open doors to a world where technology and nature harmoniously converge. These methods not only aim to enhance plant growth, but also redefine the way we interact with and nurture our green companions. Buckle up for a journey into the avant-garde of gardening practices, where innovation and sustainability go hand in hand. promising a garden that thrives like never before. Section 4. The science behind electroculture gardening success. In this section, we unravel the scientific principles that underpin the success of electroculture gardening. By understanding the intricacies of the electrical interactions in plant physiology, you can gain valuable insights into how and why electroculture techniques yield impressive results. Electrical signaling in plants. Explore the fascinating world of electrical signaling within plants. Understand how plants use electrical impulses to communicate and respond to environmental stimuli, playing a crucial role in growth and development. Electrochemical processes in soil. Delve into the electrochemical processes occurring in the soil. Learn how these processes influence nutrient availability, pH levels, and microbial activity, impacting the overall health of plants. Impact of electrical fields on plant metabolism. Uncover the ways in which electrical fields affect plant metabolism. Explore how these fields can stimulate biochemical pathways, leading to increased energy production and enhanced nutrient assimilation. Electrotropism and plant growth orientation. Examine the phenomenon of electrotropism, where plants respond to electrical gradients. Understand how this process influences the direction of root and shoot growth, optimizing plant structure for improved sunlight absorption and nutrient acquisition. Electrokinetic movement of water in plants. Explore the electrokinetic movement of water within plant tissues. Discover how electrical forces influence water uptake and distribution, playing a crucial role in maintaining turgor pressure and overall plant hydration. By grasping the scientific foundations of electroculture gardening, you gain a deeper appreciation for the intricate dance between plants and electricity. This knowledge empowers you to make informed decisions when implementing electroculture techniques, ensuring that you can harness the full potential of electrical interactions for the benefit of your garden. Let's demystify the science behind the success and pave the way for a garden that thrives on the principles of electroculture. Section 5. Step-by-Step Guide to Implement Electroculture in Your Garden. In this practical section, we provide a step-by-step guide to help you seamlessly integrate electroculture techniques into your gardening routine. Follow these clear and concise instructions to unlock the potential of electroculture in your own green space. Assess your garden's electrical conductivity. Begin by testing the electrical conductivity of your soil using a simple soil testing kit. Understand the optimal conductivity range for different plants and crops to ensure accurate adjustments. Choose the right electroculture method for your garden. Explore the various electroculture methods discussed in earlier sections. Select the techniques that align with your gardening goals, considering factors such as plant types, soil conditions, and available resources. Obtain or build electroculture equipment. Depending on your chosen electroculture methods, acquire or construct the necessary equipment. This may include electrically charged mulches, electrodes for root stimulation, or devices for applying controlled electrical pulses. Implement controlled experiments. Start small by implementing controlled experiments in specific areas of your garden. Monitor and record the performance of plants subjected to electroculture techniques compared to those under traditional cultivation methods. Fine-tune based on observations. Regularly observe the response of your plants to electroculture interventions. Adjust the intensity and duration of electrical stimuli based on the growth and health indicators of your plants. Integrate smart sensors for monitoring. Enhance your electroculture practice by integrating smart sensors into your garden. Use these sensors to monitor electrical signals, soil moisture, and other relevant parameters, allowing for real-time adjustments. Maintain a sustainable approach. Consider the environmental impact of your electroculture practices. Aim for a balanced and sustainable approach that aligns with eco-friendly gardening principles. By following this step-by-step guide, you'll be well equipped to embark on your electroculture gardening journey. From initial assessments to ongoing adjustments, This approach ensures a systematic and effective integration of electroculture techniques, allowing you to witness the transformative power of electricity in cultivating a thriving and resilient garden. Get ready to unveil the potential of electroculture in your own green haven. Conclusion: cultivating tomorrow's gardens today. In concluding our exploration of electroculture gardening techniques, we've embarked on a journey that fuses the age-old art of cultivation with the cutting-edge science of electricity. From understanding the science behind plant-electricity interactions to implementing innovative electroculture methods, this guide equips you with the tools to transform your garden into a flourishing paradise. As we embrace the future of gardening, marked by efficiency, sustainability, and heightened yields, the potential of electroculture becomes clear. By adopting the step-by-step approach outlined in this article, you're not merely gardening, you're pioneering a greener, more connected relationship between technology and nature. Now armed with the knowledge to implement electroculture, take these insights to your garden and witness the magic unfold as you cultivate tomorrow's green spaces today. Electrify your gardening experience and let your plants thrive in the vibrant synergy of innovation and nature.